Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transfer products from Printify Pop-Up Store to Shopify. So for example, you have a Printify Pop-Up Store, but you would like to incorporate it into Shopify as you want more customization options or so on. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is log into your Printify account. So you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Then you're going to need to create a Shopify account. If you don't have one as yet, I've left a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once you're signed up to Shopify, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you're going to tap on Apps. Then you're going to select All Recommended Apps, and you're just going to select Shopify App Store. Once on the Shopify App Store, what I want you to do is type in Printify, and you're going to tap on Install. After selecting Install, you're going to sign in using the same login information that you have used to create your Printify account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And if I were to select my products, you can see that I don't have any products at the moment. Now, to copy the products from my Printify account, I'll need to go back into Printify. Once on Printify, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Products. Then you're going to tap on All Products. After selecting All Products, what you're going to do next, you can choose to select all of the products or select the product that you'd like to copy onto your Shopify store. After you have selected the product, you're going to see the option right here, More Actions. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to tap on Copy to Other Store. Once you tap on Copy to Other Store, a lot of the times you're only going to see this message. You won't see your store as yet. So what I would recommend you do is simply refresh the page. Once you have refreshed the page, you're going to simply tap on it once more and you're going to see the option to add it to your store. And you'll simply select your store, then you'll tap on Copy Product. After you have copied the product, after you have tapped on Copy Product, what you're going to do next, you're going to go back into Shopify. And if we were to go back into Shopify and go over to the left-hand menu option and select Products, you can see that the product is still not added. So what you'll need to do is you're going to tap on Apps. Then you're going to go into Printify. Once you're in Printify, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on My Products. After you have selected My Products, you're going to see that the product is unpublished. So you're going to simply tap right here on the three dots. Then you're going to select Publish. Then you'll tap on Got It. And you can see right here, choose which product details do you want. If you can keep individual product details or you can sync and publish selected details for all products. I'm just going to keep it individual. Then I'm going to tap on Confirm. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being published. Once it has been published, you can go onto your store. And by the way, you can also, for example, upload mockups if you want. You could tap right there. You can also use their AI to create a mockup for you. You can scroll down, you could edit the product details and title. And you can edit different options as you can see right here. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on Publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Publish in the bottom right hand corner, so let's do that real quick. You'll tap on Got It. Then give it a few seconds and the product is going to be pushed to your Shopify store. Once the product has been added to your Shopify store, as you can see right there, you can see now it is uploading images. If we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Products, you can see that it has been added right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.